Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to change which search engine is used when you do web searches from the Windows taskbar search box here. So for example, let's say I were to do best laptops. Right now it's going to open up with Bing because that's the default search engine in Edge here. So we did a couple other videos showing you how to change which browser is used in the search box here. So I'll put links to those down in the description if you want to check those out. But in this video, we're just going to show you how to change which search engine in case you just have one and you don't feel like changing the browser itself. All right, so this computer only has Edge on it, and it's the default browser. So if it had Chrome and it was the default browser, it will still use Chrome, but it would change what search engine is used within Chrome. All right, so let's close this out here. All right, so the tool we're going to be using for this is called Windhawk. So Windhawk is an app you install, and then you add mods to Windhawk, and then these mods change the way Windows looks and functions. All right, so when you install Windhawk, you'll have your home section with any installed mods, featured mods. You could search your mods. And then there's the Explore section here where you could search for other mods, do some filtering, sorting, and that type of thing. All right, so the one we're going to be using is called Start Search Bing Redirector. So you want to search for that in the Explore section in the search box. Click on Details and then Install. And then you're going to get this warning with any mod you install. So of course, you could check the ratings on it and do a little research, but I've never had a problem with any of these mods on Windhawk. So we'll accept, risk, and install. All right, so now it's in our home section here and it's enabled. We can remove it and disable it from here if we want. Click on Details, remove and disable as well. All right, so this one has pretty simple settings here. So you go here, pick your search engine. So if you remember correctly, we were using Bing before. So now if we search for best laptops, you can see it opens in Google. We still have our Bing one here too as well. And then if we go back here, let's say we want to use something different, DuckDuckGo, for example. You got to click on Save Settings each time. And now we're using DuckDuckGo. And we have a few others here, such as Brave, Yahoo, Start Page, and then you could use Custom here if you want to use something that's not in this list. And then if you change your mind, just come here and change it back to the one you're using before, or click on Disable. And now we're back to Bing. And you can see here, even though it says DuckDuckGo, it's disabled, so it's not going to use this setting. All right, then on a side note for Windhawk, it needs to be running here in your system tray for your mods to work. So if they ever stop working, just come here and make sure it's running. And if it's not, you could just restart Windhawk from your start menu, and then it should put it back here in the system tray. Plus, it should be set to start automatically with Windows, so you don't have to come back here each time and manually start it to get your mods to work. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download Windhawk and then just do a search for Start Search Bing Redirector. Install it, enable it, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.